Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by adding a master page file and placing shared layout elements there. This centralizes your header, footer, and navigation. Once done, add one or more content placeholder controls with run@server, where pages will supply content. Make sure global CSS and script bundles are referenced in the master so individual pages inherit them. This reduces duplication and ensures consistent styling across the site. Next, create content pages that reference the master with the master page file directive and add content controls matching each content placeholder ID. You should use run@server on content tags to enable server-side interaction. In code behind, access shared master controls with master. Find control or cast page. Master to a strongly typed master class to expose properties. This lets you change titles, visibility, or dynamic values from each page while preserving centralized layout logic. Finally, verify nested master scenarios and responsive behavior, then bundle and minify CSS/JS for production so load times improve. When publishing, confirm master page file paths and virtual directory mappings are correct. Incorrect paths are a common deployment issue. If a page shows blank areas, first check matching content placeholder ID and that run@server is present. Additionally, inspect server-side casts or
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.